To replace the fuser unit, begin by powering the printer off. Push up the lever on the right side and open the printer's right cover. Loosen the screws to remove the brackets from both sides of the fuser. To unlock the fuser, raise the locking levers on both sides. Slightly pull the fuser out by the green labeled levers, then take hold of the fuser handles and slowly pull the fuser up. Take a cotton swab out of the package and insert the tip through the notch of the plastic case. Insert the plastic case with the cotton swab attached into the hole in the printer. Holding the knob end of the plastic case, rotate it 10 times while pushing it to clean the lens inside of the printer. Remove the plastic case from the hole in the printer and make sure the case and the cotton swabs do not remain in the printer after cleaning. Unbox the replacement fuser and remove all packaging tape. Set the fuser on the guide plate, making sure to align the green marks on the fuser with the green marks on the printer. Push the fuser back into the printer until it completely stops. Press down on the locking levers located on both sides to secure the fuser into place. Reattach the fuser brackets on both sides and tighten the bracket screws. To unlock the transfer roller, press down on the green clip located on the left side. Next, rotate the transfer roller forward, then carefully pull the roller up and out of the printer. Unbox the replacement transfer roller and insert it into the position grooves inside of the printer as seen here. Tilt the transfer roller back until the green clip on the left side secures the roller into place. Locate the ozone filter and pad in the right-hand corner above the printer's right side cover. To replace, press the tab on the right side of the cover and open the filter, tilting the cover forward. Replace both the ozone filter and pad, then reinsert back into its position. Remove the vent filter cover by sliding it to the right. Once removed, clean the fan cover of any dust buildup. Lastly, slide the vent cover back into its original position and power the printer on.